Do you speak English like a textbook? Let's make it sound natural. 1. Basic. How are you? Natural. How's it going? 2. Basic. I'm fine, thank you. Natural. I'm good, thanks. 3. Basic. Nice to meet you. Natural. Great to meet you. 4. Basic. Where are you from? Natural. Where are you based? 5. Basic. What do you do? Natural. What do you do for a living? 6. Basic. Can you repeat that? Natural. Sorry, could you say that again? 7. Basic. I don't understand. Natural. I didn't quite get that. 8. Basic. It's okay. Natural. No worries. 9. Basic. I am busy. Natural. I'm swamped. 10. Basic. I am tired. Natural. I'm exhausted.